Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a slime collection. I'm really excited, so let's get on to the video. Oh, and before I get started, please comment, like, and subscribe to be part of the McKaylin squad. Because we need this to grow bigger. Like, I have 0 subscribers. But, great news, I have a unicorn onesie, and who doesn't like unicorns? If you guys don't like unicorns, please comment down below. Oh, and another thing, I have to say something. So, not to be mean or anything, it's just like, why are you guys, like, subscribing on things that you like and stuff you don't like? Like, that makes no sense. Just because they use little microphones and voiceovers doesn't make them specialer than anybody else on YouTube. Because I can do that to you. Would you like it if I did that to you? Nobody does. Because it feels like you hate them. It's just mean. You don't have to be cool, pretty, and cute. You need to be who you are. I'm trying to tell you guys. You guys need to listen. Anyways, I'm not trying to be mean, but yeah. Let's get on to the video. So, I have 4 putties. One I didn't show you guys. I'm going to show you guys in this video. It has 0 air bubbles in it because I haven't opened it yet. And yeah. So, these are what they look like. I mean, this one's kind of the clearest of them all that I opened. These ones have like so many air bubbles. But this one would be the second and this one would be the third. So, yeah, this is what they look like. Super cool, so yeah. I'm just gonna do this one first. This one actually my friend kept for a little while because my friend bought these for me, and yeah. So she put a mixture of all her white-brown slimes into this, and I mean it made it kind of good, but not that good. It's like still hard. But I like it. So, yeah, I really like this slime. Like, this slime's amazing. But anyways, oh darn it. Yeah, that was my first putty. This is actually called Putty Magical. I got this at Dollar Tree. And yeah, so the next one is this clear one. This clear one out of all the ones that I've opened. This one has to be like the darkest purple out of all the ones that I have opened. It's not stretchy. It just like rips like at any time. I think you guys can see me through this. Yeah, you guys can see me, see? Because I can see you guys. Anyways... Sorry, somebody keeps on texting me. But, yeah, anyways, yeah, that was that slime. I mean, putty, but, oh, and I will be showing you guys this one at the end of the video, so yeah. It's really clear, by the way, like, there is 0 air bubbles in it because I haven't opened it. And then this is my last putty that I have opened. You know what, this one looks pretty cool. So yeah, this one's kind of stretchy. Not really, but yeah. Okay. So, okay, anyways, moving on to my slimes. I have 3 slimes and 4 putties, but I'm going to be showing you this one at the end. So this one is like honestly my favorite. It's a foam slime. It's actually a pretty good foam slime, to be honest. Like, no joke. And like, it's super duper stretchy. It does stick to my cast, though, so, like, I have to play with it, like, one-handed, which is, like, so annoying. But until I get this cast off, I mean, I can still play with it with my cast. I just can't really, like, put my cast in there. Oh, gosh. Anyways, use this slime. Okay, so, yeah, this is slime. Slime's pretty good, you know, for all. Oh my god, dude, stop. Sorry, somebody from Instagram. Anyways, yeah. And I'm not telling you guys my Instagram because you guys are not hacking me. I'm not retarded. Not saying that any of you guys are retarded, but yeah, I'm not. Nobody is. Anyways, this one is just a brown slime with straws in it. Purple cut up straws inside of it. And I cut them. I mean, like, I have a talent on cutting straws. That's, like, weird. I can cut them, like, really, really fast. Oh, and please comment down below if you want me to show you how I cut my straws really, really fast. Because it's, like, really cool. But, yeah. It's just a normal brown crunchy slime. You know, it's nothing perfect. It has a couple foam beads inside of it, not a lot. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, that was that one. This one used to be, like, really, really good. It smells really, really good, too. So the next one, this one is in a, like, container that I got from Dollar Tree. See? It's just, you know, like a little suitable container. This slime is called Shaving Cream Puff Slime. I thought before I called this Coca-Cola before because there was a different slime in here and I called it, like, Red Cherry Coca-Cola, I think. But anyways, this slime is, like, amazing. It's really, really fluffy because most of it, like, I mixed all my brown fluffy slimes in here and, like, I added green food coloring and it, I love you too, and it turned, like, the bubbly ones. It turned, like, the bubbly stuff on top of beer. It doesn't really stretch, but yeah. Like, here, listen. Listen. Okay, that's really, really annoying. And how it's so cool how these close. Really, really cool. Okay, now it's time for the big finale, the clear slime. I'm finna open it. I'm super duper excited. So yeah, let's just open it. Oh gosh, it's so hard to open these things. Okay, got it. So, yeah. This one's super duper clear, by the way. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so scared. Oh my God. I don't even want to touch it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God, it's so cool. Oh my God. Okay, I'm putting this back in this container. Like, I am not playing. I'm putting this back in the container and I am not touching it. No. No, no. See, that was the slime. I didn't play with it for a long time because I don't want air bubbles inside of it. Because if you get air bubbles inside of it, you like have to let it sit for like 6 weeks. Like, it's intense. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe to be part of the Michaela squad. And yeah, bye guys. Have a good night because it is nighttime. So yeah, bye guys.